great Saturday. I just thought I'd get some of these packages wrapped today. I took a poll on Instagram and everyone wanted to see a gift wrap with me. So I may stop and show a few items, but most of this I'll do a time lapse so you don't have to be bored with that. But I just wanted to show a few items as we get started here. I wanted to show you one of her main gifts that she asked for and wants. You all know, if you watch my Instagram and videos on YouTube with Grammy School, mostly my Instagram though, she loves her little baby dolls called Crybabies. She brings them every day to Grammy School. She has 2 of them. And she wanted all of them. Well, I got on there. Of course, you know, she don't know. She just knows she loves them. I got on there and look, there's like over 60 of them. But I got her 2. And I picked out Phoebe. This is one of them. And Jenna, I think. Yeah, Jenna. And I got these 2. They were $20 a piece. Most of them are $30. I don't know if these light up. That was the one difference, I think, between them. Anyway, she loves it. Let's see here what this does. It says, squeeze me. Let's see. So she's going to love that. She actually sleeps with them every night. She loves them. Says, press her tummy and turn your bedroom into a starry night sky. Oh, it lights up the room with little stars on the walls. She'll love that. She'll be tickled to death with that. And then this one is Jenna. And it might be the same thing. It says, yeah, this does the same thing. But that's okay. She's going to love them both. She loves them. So that's the main things that she asked for that are packed by my daughter. Now, some of the stuff that we got her is for her aunts and uncle as well, because they're not here and they told me what she wanted and they picked it out for her. I'm wrapping it because they're traveling in. This is the Headbands Blast Off game. She's asked for that by name. And you may have seen, like I said, in my Instagram or YouTube, my old, not YouTube, even my Facebook page, my old one got hacked, so I had to start a new one. We play headbands all the time. She loves it, and she's so good at it. So this is the Headbands Blast Off. It says for 6 and up, but we're going to try it. She asked for that by name, so she's really excited for that. Let me show you another thing here. She wanted some clothes for her baby dolls. So we picked out this one, or I picked out this one with a little dress and hat. I think she's going to love that. And these were like $9, I think, at Target. This one is, that's another gift for me else, a set of pajamas. Here is a swimsuit. And what is this here outfit? Rainbow Sky. I don't know. I think it's just an outfit, a little dress. So I think she's going to love these gifts. So I'm really excited to wrap them and put them under the tree. I still have a week of babysitting right now. Probably by the time you see this, they'll already be on Christmas break, her parents. But I'm excited to see how she reacts putting stuff under the tree. My kids growing up, we didn't put stuff under the tree. Santa came Christmas morning, and they didn't have any gifts until then. And that was a magical moment. Also, the last 3 years I've watched her, she's not bothered the gifts at all when I wrap them and put them under the tree for her and the other family members. So Aubrey, she don't really pay attention to it. If she's around it, she'll, touch it. But I think she'll be fine. And I told Amelia that if I wrapped some stuff, I asked her if she would not open it. And she said she would. So I believe her. She don't tell fibs. But anyway, I'm going to wrap some of this stuff. Like I said, I'll put you on a time lapse. And if you want to stick around and see some more things, make sure you stay around. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. My name's Vicki. And I hope you'll decide to hit that subscribe button and stay around a while. And if you're coming back, thanks for coming back.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Eight things wrapped for $1 million. Now, these were like $10 a piece, the little doll outfits. The baby dolls were $20 each. The headband game, I don't think it was more than $10 or $15. I don't know. So less than $100. But anyway, she's going to love all this. I'm really excited to see her open it. And like I said, if you've watched my video of Chad and I talking about our Christmas traditions and memories, it's not about the gift. So I'll link that video down below for you. I'm going to go ahead and put these under the tree, and then I'll get out some things that I've got Aubrey, and I'll show you those. I still have some stuff coming in for her, but I'll tell you about those too. So I'll meet you back here in just a minute. Let me put these under the tree. So I got Amelia's gifts put under the tree. And I was going to show you some of Aubrey's things. Now, I ordered her maybe like a, I don't know what they call them, like a jumperoo or something, that you sit them in and they can turn to 3 different sides and play with different activity things. She has one of those at home, and I had one for Amelia, but I think that it accidentally got disposed of or given away or something. I'm not sure what happened. But anyway, I went ahead and bought her another one. And that was going to be her big Christmas gift from us. But I went ahead and gave it to her because I needed it for her here at the house. And she don't know that it's Christmas. She don't know it's her Christmas gift, but that's okay. Still part of her Christmas gift. But I also got her this play school sit and spin is what I call it. Now, she is a little bit young for this, But I think her and Amelia will love it, and they can both play on it. We loved these growing up, and I just thought it was so cute. So we can sit her on it, you know, and turn her. I think she'll really like that. So I got her that, her and her Papa and I. And then I got her this. It's a rotating pacify music lights. And it, rotation of marine aquatic animals is rich and colorful SeaWorld. A cartoon animal swimming, sorry. Button has 3 wheels. It can glide. It rotates 360 degrees. The animals do, and they dazzle, color, rotating light effect, and melodious music. But anyway, she's going to like that because she likes musical stuff and colorful stuff, which I think all babies do. So that's something I got her. And then I got her these little blocks, which I've never seen these before. They're soft. They're spongy like. Not sponge. I guess it's plastic, but they squeak. And they have different textures on them, different shapes and numbers. And I'm wondering if they interlock because, yeah, like this has a diamond on this side. So let's see here. The diamond. They interlock. So that's cool. I guess they do. There they go. So look how cute. But they're all soft. They have, like I said, different textures, animals, numbers and colors and shapes. And I think that she's really going to enjoy that because she loves playing with stuff with her hands. And they also came with 4 little toys that are squeaky toys. So I think some of these she can keep here at Grammy's school for her to play with. And then that's all I have in right now. But I did order her some things to play with. Just little like $5, $6, and $7 items from Walmart to play with, like teething rings. They're not really teething rings. They're like rattles, but you can chew on them. If I can, I'll insert the thing from my Walmart link and show you what I ordered here. And it's just a few little things, but I think she'll really like it. She likes things that she can hold and chew on, and she's, you know, rolling around. She can get anywhere she wants between rolling, army crawl, and scooting. She can get anywhere she wants. She is so close to crawling, it's not even funny. She'll take one arm and then go like, you know, she'll reach out and then she'll go down. I think she just knows it's easier right now for that. So I expect any minute for them to call and tell us she's crawling everywhere. So that's what I got Aubrey, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap it. And like I said, I'll put it on time lapse, and then I'll put this under the tree for her. Thank y'all for watching.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's.
Okay, so I just finished wrapping Aubrey's, and I think I'm going to go ahead and put these under the tree. I thank you all for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I just thought I'd take you along. I hope everyone's having a blessed Christmas season and happy holidays, and God bless, and you take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.